Today we're going to be drawing lions. We're going to draw a lioness and a lion. So first we're going to start out by drawing a lion. The first shape is going to be a rectangle. Now we're going to tilt our rectangle a little bit. You can actually put it anywhere on the page. So see how my rectangle is tilted just a little bit? So go ahead and draw your rectangle now.
Okay.
Then you're going to draw two ears from the corner. Zoop.
Not ready.
Shoot, Lily's doing this with us, isn't she?
Yep. Yep.
Then we're going to draw little curly swirly lines around the head like this. Joop, joop, kind of curling around for the mane.
Yep. 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 Yep.
Okay, now we're going to draw the body, so we're going to start here and draw a line that goes like this.
Okay.
We're going to bring the line down right around here, and then we're going to connect in like this. Good. Now we're going to draw four legs, so I'm going to draw a line coming down and stop. His front leg. A line coming down and stop. And connect. Then we're going to do another leg. Down and stop. Down and stop. And connect. Back legs. Down and stop. Down and stop. And then I have another one. I'm kind of out of room, but I'm just going to curve it a little or angle it a little bit like that. You need to draw a third leg or a fourth leg. Now we're going to draw his eyes. So two eyes right here. And a little upside down triangle nose. And I like to add a couple little whiskers for our little lion. Then we're going to draw a tail, so we're going to start right here at the tip of the rectangle, and we're going to go zoop.
Yep.
Then we're going to add a little tail. Okay, and that is our lion. Arrgh. Okay, now somewhere on the page where you have room, we're going to draw the lioness. The lioness is going to be almost the same, except she doesn't have a mane. So she won't have this curly, curly, curly lines around it. Okay?
Those curly lines are hard.
Yeah, so we can add, find where you have room, and we can add the line where you have room. If you have room right next to it, you can, or I'm going to draw mine below it. Okay? So let's go ahead and draw the head, a little bit of a slightly angled rectangle. And then two ears on the corner, zoop and zoop. Now we're not going to draw the mane, so now we're just going to draw the body. So that's going to be a rectangle that comes behind our head, like this.
I don't know.
That's okay. Sometimes if they get lost, you can go ahead and stop and start them over again.
I want to stop and start it over.
Okay, let's go ahead and do that. All right, we're back. You're all caught up, ready to finish. Lioness. Okay, so now we're going to draw the eyes. This time we're going to draw closed eyes. So closed eyes are just two little U's. Whoop, whoop.
Whoop.
Then little eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
an upside down triangle. Okay, good. And if you want to do whiskers, shoop, 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 you can.
Shoop, shoop.
And then a tail. The tail can go any direction. This tail we had going down. Let's have this tail going up. So starting in this corner and go zoop. And then a little, and then we're gonna draw a line coming, a curved line coming down. Another curved line for the lioness's arm or leg. I guess it could be an arm, huh? Here's her second leg. And then two more legs that are rectangles. They're kind of curved a little bit. Okay, now we're done with our lions. Now let's draw some background. So I'm gonna draw, we always wanna have our little lions on some kind of line. So I'm gonna draw a line going through and off the page for this lioness. Same with my lion. These are called surface lines, kids.
How about the other one?
Mm-hmm. Well, you can do the other one on the other page. Then we're gonna draw some grass.
Okay.
You can also do this with your crayons too if you want to do that later. Maybe a little bush. So just find places where you have room. And there you go. There are your cute little lions. Then you can go ahead and color them in.
Now.
Okay, so now you're finished coloring it in. Add grass where you want to. Also, don't forget you can use different colors of like different shades, different greens, different browns for the grasses. That really makes it look pretty, huh? You can also color in the grass if you want. It's hard to color in big spaces, so sometimes I like to just outline it. Also, feel free to add any little, if you want to add more lions, you can do that too. You can add, if you have extra space, you can add more lions. I don't really have a lot of space left in my paper, but you might. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the drawing lesson. Bye-bye.